Issuing agricultural credit comes with a built-in tension. Farmers need supplies immediately to plant on time, but input dealers need absolute certainty they will get paid for their inventory. This infographic outlines the AgriShare Input Credit Flow. It is a 6-step sequence designed to resolve that tension by linking our secure digital platform directly to the physical actions on the farm and in the shop. Before initiating this process, verify 3 things. You must have a smart device, you must be actively logged into the AgriShare app, and the farmer must be standing in front of you with their physical identification. Completing this exact sequence in order protects all parties. It eliminates the financial risk for the shop owner while safely releasing the capital the farmer needs. Looking closely at Step 1, the workflow begins out in the field with profiling. As the field agent, you must translate the physical person into the system. You do this by creating a digital profile based on the farmer's real-world identification documents. Precision matters here. A single typo or an incorrect ID number entered right now will cause the system to flag the profile, freezing the credit approval process later on. Once the profile is active and verified, the process moves from the field to the input dealer's physical shop for Step 2. Here, the farmer visits a registered dealer to select specific supplies on credit. Whether picking tomato seeds or NPK fertilizer, the physical items pulled from the shelf must match what will be entered digitally. Locking in the verified digital identity before requesting the physical goods ensures the chain of custody begins securely. This is where credit systems fail. If a dealer relies on paper ledgers or tries remembering transactions for later, records get lost and payments stall. Step 3 prevents these analog errors entirely. Instead of writing it down, the dealer opens the AgriShare platform right at the counter and submits the exact digital order. The dealer must never hand over the physical goods until this digital submission is complete. In Step 4, there is a brief waiting period while AgriShare reviews the submitted credit request. The dealer simply watches their screen for the green checkmark that confirms the application is approved. That approval instantly triggers a direct digital payment straight into the dealer's digital wallet. Because the dealer receives digital funds before the physical product leaves the store, they carry zero inventory risk on the transaction. With the payment verified, we reach Step 5. It is now safe for the dealer to push the supplies across the counter. The farmer collects their selected inputs and takes them back to the field. Applying these precise fertilizers and seeds into the soil on a strict schedule enables the successful harvest required to pay the credit back. Months later, following the harvest, we arrive at Step 6. The farmer uses the secure digital channels provided by AgriShare to make their scheduled loan repayments. To ensure this final step happens on time, dealers must clearly explain repayment terms and digital channels back in Step 5 before the farmer leaves. When the final payment clears the system, the platform updates the account with a green Settled status badge. Achieving that settled status proves the process worked. The farmer grew their crop, the platform recovered the loan, and the cycle is fully resolved. Reviewing the complete AgriShare flow, you can see how these 6 steps function as a closed loop. The farmer secures essential supplies to operate, the dealer is guaranteed a safe sale, and the platform securely recovers the distributed funds. Now that you know the sequence, open your AgriShare app and profile your first real-world farmer. Following this hybrid digital and physical process correctly protects your capital and builds a reliable foundation for scaling the agricultural economy.